Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD for short, is a type of developmental disorder where the person who has it will find it challenging to keep their attention to something for too long, and their attention is often pulled into different directions frequently. A person with ADHD will also become impulsive and hyperactive from time to time. To assess a child for ADHD, there are numerous ADHD scales to choose from. One group of ADHD scales that healthcare professionals, parents, and teachers can use is the Conners Rating Scale. There are numerous Conners Rating Scale, each of which varies in length. To use our Conners Rating Scale, follow these steps. Download our Conners Rating Scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The scale comes in the form of a list of characteristics. It has 80 items that need to be rated using preset options. 0 equals not true at all, 1 equals just a little true, 2 equals pretty much true, and 3 equals very much true. The list is essentially about the common problems that a child might have. The parent answering the scale must think about these common problems in light of their child based on the past month, including the days they're answering the scale. Here are some of the items that they need to rate. Angry and resentful, difficulty doing or completing homework, is always on the go or acts as if driven by a motor, timid, easily frightened, has no friends, fights, has difficulty sustaining attention in tasks or play activities, argues with adults, afraid of people, keeps checking things over and over again. Once you receive a fully accomplished copy, you just need to add up the scores. Normally, health professionals who use the Conners Rating Scale uses the T-score standardized measure to assess results. If a child's T-score is less than 60, that means that they don't have ADHD. If the child has a T-score that's higher than 60, that means they likely have ADHD. If the score is higher than 70, their ADHD symptoms are severe. Here is a sample of our Conners Rating Scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Conners Rating Scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.